Today we're going to discuss 4 ways to make money blogging.
Give me every time.
Number 1, the most simple way to make money blogging is by putting ads on your blog. So you share content, blog posts about things that you're passionate about, and then Google Adsense will place ads within your blog posts that will be specifically designed for the reader. For example, I'm sure you've gone to Amazon before and you've clicked on a product, but you haven't necessarily bought it. And then you go to another website and then that exact product is on that website. That's how Google AdSense works. You click on Amazon, it goes into your cookies, and then when you go on my blog, you will see that product marketed on my blog through Google. So a simple way is to create a blog, put blog posts up of something that you're interested in, and then allow Google to place those custom ads within your blog post. Usually you can get paid a couple cents for someone just seeing that ad, and then if they click on it, you can get a couple dollars. The second way is by offering a service. For example, on my blog, Young Adult Survival Guide, I offer a service of speaking. So I will go around to colleges, high schools, summer programs, and I'll speak. And those programs will pay me to come and speak. You can also offer services like one-on-one consultations, a 30-minute crash course on budgeting. You can do one-on-one budgeting courses. You can do intro courses. Offering a service on your blog or a hire me section allows people to reach out to you. You can send them an invoice through PayPal. They pay it, and then you give them that service. The third way to make money is by recommending products or recommending companies that you already use. So, for example, on my blog, I recommend using an app called Robinhood. This is an app that I personally use to invest in index funds, stocks. You can even do options trading, Bitcoin. I recommend this to even my own family. The cool thing about it is that when I recommend Robinhood, there's a link that they provide to me, and if someone clicks on that link, they get a free stock, and I get a free stock. So it's a win-win. I only recommend things that I've personally done or use. The fourth way is to sell a product. Now on my blog, I have a free course that I offer, and it's a free debt payoff course. People have used it to pay off debt. One person actually paid off $53,000 in 3 years by using this method that I outlined. Right now, I don't charge for it. It's actually free. All you have to do is subscribe to the blog, and then you'll get a free course. I can also create spreadsheets that I could sell. I could create other courses that I could sell. I could sell this course. So those are the 4 ways to make money blogging. The key is to find something that you're really passionate about and then start coming up with ideas and creating a blog. I set up a whole template to help you. If you want to create a blog and you don't know how to, I'll put a link in the description. You go there, it's a tutorial exactly how to set up a blog, exactly the products, the company that I use to host my blog. They give out a free domain if you set up a blog through them. So if you want that, there's a link below. You can go ahead and click that, and you can start creating your own blog today and creating some passive income streams. Be sure to hit that subscribe. I post videos about paying off debt, saving money, creating new revenue streams. And I'll see you all next week.
Give me every time.